everyone, so I'm just back to do a really quick video. So this is a little craft of me, let's make. So I'm making some ephemera for some projects, and I've made these little pockets. I've done similar before. I've made these ones with belly bands, so they can actually come off, and you can take everything out from the back and there. You can open that up, you can journal inside there, you can fold it all back up again, you can put your tag back in and your journal card, and you can slip your belly band back on like so, and you can put the tag back in there, and we can put that journal card back in there like so, and that one is identical. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. It's only a few minutes long, so stay tuned.